Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing outline glow on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in a video here, maybe like this one. And then I'm just going to copy and paste it, add in a white background, and go to effects and add color negative to the white background. You can adjust the speed here if you want it to be slower. You can also adjust the colors on it as well. Then you're going to add in neon outline on the video. And you're going to search for edge glow. And you're going to add that as well. Once you're done, select the white overlay, go to blend mode and select the linear burn one, and you can also adjust the opacity to it. I know it looks like it looks like a lot. And then once you're done with that, select these two, right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. I know it looks super weird, but that's because it does not work on real life videos. It works more on animated videos and stuff like that. So I just suggest you doing it for that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.